Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Tuesday, October 19th, 2021. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast, we're having cereal bar. For lunch, beefaroni. Tomorrow for breakfast, it'll be French toast. And for lunch, pizza pocket. Teachers, please remember to post attendance by 9 a.m. each day. We're doing a great job with that. Also, masks. Remind students that they must bring their own mask as part of their school uniform. We do not have additional masks to give out to students. Teachers must always make sure they're wearing them correctly. Today's late duty is going to be Miss Battaglia, tomorrow Miss Hogan, Thursday Miss Lee, and Friday Miss Peralta. The word of the day is liter. A liter is the basic unit of capacity in the metric system. Okay, so we often measure things in liters that are an amount of a liquid. So like in other countries, they measure their gasoline in liters instead of in gallons. We have 2-liter soft drinks. Okay, so a large bottle of soda or bottled water might be 1 liter, and we are very used to having the 2-liter drinks. Okay, so it's a unit of capacity. Important dates on the horizon. October 18th to the 22nd is Digital Citizenship Week. October 25th through 29th is the Book Fair and Red Ribbon Week. October 27th is PST during Extended PE and 5th grade Super Scholars. October 28th is Read for the Record. October 29th is Feel Good Friday, and the Fundraiser ends. November 3rd, the Sunnyside Theater play is for pre-K through 2nd grades, and there's PD during Extended PE. November 10th, Reading and Math PLTs. November 11th, we have No School for Veterans Day, and November 12th is World Kindness Day. Also, a little bit more on Red Ribbon Week. That is next week. Red Ribbon Week is next week. So on October 25th, Monday, we're going to Red Out Monday. So you wear your regular uniform pants and your favorite red shirt. Doesn't have to be your uniform shirt, but a red shirt. And you can wear some cool red accessories. So maybe you want to break out some red socks or something like that. October 26th, Tuesday, we're going to have Sock It to Drugs. So wear your uniform and some silly socks. October 27th, Wednesday, Team Up Against Drugs. You're going to wear your favorite sports team shirt with your uniform pants. Looking forward to seeing all those Auburn shirts out there, friends. October 28th, Thursday, Too Bright for Drugs. We're going to wear sunglasses. October 29th, Friday, I Would Rather Read Than Do Drugs. And you're going to dress up as your favorite book character. We have kicked off our Be a Champion and Read campaign. That is still going on. It's probably getting very close to being finished, so make sure you bring those forms back and get them to Miss Smith. Our coupon book fundraiser is still going on. It will be going on through next week, so make sure you bring those in so you can get some great prizes. That's all for today's news. Have a terrific Tuesday, Kate Shepherd.